Hello everyone, welcome back to another hairstyling video. Insert a very long hairpin into your ponytail and divide your ponytail into two and have two rubber bands on top and bottom and have a space in the middle one and insert the tips inside and move it to the top making it as a bun and have a hairpin secure its place and extend and have a volume. Have a bunch and using a large hair clutcher, clutch it on top of the rubber band. Have another rubber band in the bottom part and bend it over and stuff it inside the middle one. Then reattach the hair clip securing its place and extend the volume. Have a big hair clutcher with 3 mini clutches on it and divide the middle section of the hair, twist it and attach it to the second one and have the left section of the hair to the third one, twist the right section, make it to the first one. With the remaining section of the hair, combine it with the rubber band, bend it over by using a little hairpin and extend the volume. Have your bunch and insert a very long bun maker with a pretty tip at the end and twist your tail all over on it and make a swirl using a clockwise manner and stuff the tips beneath the bun and make the pretty end go in the anti-clockwise manner and fix that position. View the side profile. Have a ponytail and hold it on top and have a lump of hair using a rubber band. Comb the remaining part of the ponytail a bit, reset its position. Have another rubber band in the bottom part and stuff the tip inside. Have a large hair clip and have it attached horizontally and extend the volume. Grab your bunch on top and have a rubber band move a bit further and attach a hairpin from bottom to top and secure its position from top to bottom. Comb the ponytail a little bit and attach a rubber band top part, bend it further down by using another hairpin and secure its position. Extend the volume. Comb your perfectly straightened hair a bit and using your index finger make a swirl, stuff the tips inside and cover the swirl with the excess part of the hair and have a beautiful large hair clip and attach it from right. Make a bunch and twist it a little bit and make it swirl to the clockwise direction and stuff the tips beneath the bun we created and have a big hair clutcher and clutch it at the bottom. Go for any designs. Comb your perfectly straightened hair a little bit and using your two hands make it into two sections and start braiding it all over from top to bottom. Now you have to borrow each strip from the opposite section and braid it in a very loose manner. Once when you're completed with the bottom section of the hair, do the tips as well. So secure the tips with a beautiful rubber band and have a beautiful hair clips of course of your choice. Comb your perfectly straightened hair a little bit and using your index finger make the twisted pattern again, stuff the tips inside and cover the swirl with the excessive hair and attach a hair clip at the side. Have a bunch and insert a finger from behind and twist it making it as a thick braid, then make it swirl clockwise manner and secure the tips underneath the bun we created and have a hairpin from bottom to secure it in place, and of course there comes your beautiful hairpin of your choice to add some beautiful design. Move your bunch 180 degrees to the right and move your rubber band a bit and attach a hair clip from bottom and secure it at the right. Comb the ponytail a bit upwards and have a rubber band tip. Bend it even more downwards by using a little hairpin and secure its position behind the bun. Thank you guys for watching this video.